If you're looking for a well taken care of, low mile Chevrolet Camaro, take a look at this one. 1995 Z28 convertible. A little over 30,000 miles on it, and it shows. As you can see, the paint, extremely nice luster to it. It looks as good in person as it does in the video and the pictures, no doubt about that. It's 95, it's powered by the LT1. Small block Chev underneath the hood, very nicely equipped car. If you want to check out the window sticker, which is included with the purchase, actually a 1995 Camaro brochure also. Check out the window sticker, you can see the options, everything on this car. You can see a picture of the window sticker at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also check out the engine bay, the interior, the underside of this car. I mean, it's practically like it was the day it came off the showroom floor. Take a look at the two-tone seats. There's the brochure and the window sticker you can see the pictures of. The seats don't really show anywhere at all. I'll show you the passenger side also. Just a nice shape over there. Dash, great shape, not cracked or anything. This is just what you'd expect from a low mile, well taken care of car. Carfax is clean, no accidents. There's no indication of paintwork anywhere around this car. Everything appears to be stock on it, just the way it would have came in from GM, with the exception of that right there. I don't believe was on these cars when they were new, the Chevy Interceptor. Somebody had added that, and it is just a two-sided tape, so if you wanted to take it back off and polish it up, you'd never know it was on there. Yeah, just look at every panel on this car. See the reflection of the ceiling, the lights. If there's any imperfections in it, there are very few. Riding on the original wheels. And again, everything's stock underneath the engine, interior. It does come with the bag. This has the three-piece parade boot that covers up the convertible top. The bag that goes in is also included in the sale. That's in the trunk. You can see that in the pictures also at uniqueclassiccars.com. It does have a black top. Black top is in very nice shape also. As you can see from the door cards, take a look at this seat. Again, don't even look like they're hardly worn. Take a look at the floor mat. So very clean, low mile, original 95 Camaro Z28. There's the miles, what is it, 32,712. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. As you can see, it does have an automatic transmission, power top, CD player, of course all your other goodies, power steering, power brakes, AC. It does have a power driver's seat also, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Again, very nicely equipped car. Come around to the back. How you'd expect a 95 Camaro to sound. A little bit of rumble coming from that LT1. Like I said, if you're looking for a well taken care of Z28, definitely check this one over. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you have any questions on this vehicle, would like to inquire about transportation, getting it to your doorstep, can assist with that. And once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1995 Camaro Z28 convertible, low mile, very well kept car.